Oh, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Mad Swine Backyard Barbecue. We're in that backyard. I'm the Mapping Master Ruben. Shh. My fiance is sleeping on the couch. Bring it down a notch, guys. Bring it down a notch. You guys want to go on a road trip with me? We're going to Tejas. You guys want to go? No? How about Walmart? So we can get this guy right here. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Packer brisket right here. A full packer brisket. And look at this. Check out my bend test. Look. Right on the finger. Already winning, baby. Already winning. Oh. She gets a little grouchy on the couchy. Let me trim this up. Alright, got it all trimmed up. Got about an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch of fat in the back. Got a little bot spot right there. Don't be making fun of me. Here we go. Season this thing up with just salt, pepper, and garlic. I know it's supposed to be salt and pepper, but I'm not going to cry about a little bit of garlic. Ready to eat already. It smells good. And with that, I'm going to add a little pinch of love. Plop. It's right there. Just let this sit. I'm going to get this on the smoker. Bam! Alright guys, got the chimney outside. Already just ready to get assed over. I got the WSM 22, Weber Smoky Mountain, ready to accept all this goodness right here. And now, I'm forced to have a discussion with you guys of a very sensitive matter. Wrapping. Foil versus butcher paper. It's done. We're going to stop it and settle it right here, right now, beyond a scientific fact. The best thing to use to wrap that brisket, to have the best possible bark, with the best possible juiciness and tenderness in that brisket, is nothing more than this stuff right here. 10-year-old in the back closet Christmas paper. Yeah, that's right. Christmas paper. Wrap your stuff in Christmas paper. Come on, man. We gotta make this thing festive. Alright, I got the brisket on. This is a 12.5 pound brisket, FYI. And I went ahead and put it on top of that block right there, that piece of chunk of wood. That's a hairy Sioux tip right there. And I got this side on that smaller piece. And I'm gonna go ahead and the idea behind that wood from Harry Sue is that so it leaves more like of a hill where everything that drips will drip downward and not pool up. You're gonna get some of that, but you're eliminating the amount that you are gonna get when you do that. So that's pretty cool. I'll take that. All right, and I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more SPG. Get up in there. And there it is. I'm gonna go for this brisket. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot for hot and fast. We're not gonna low and slow this today. No 225. I'm gonna go for like 300. Or we'll see what happens. All right, guys. All right. I want to know, man. What'd I do to you to do this to me? Huh? Don't I feed you? Give you water? Give you nice pieces of meat when nobody's looking? Huh? Why would you do this to me? Why would you take our relationship there? Huh? Supposed to be man's best friend. Don't get all sad on me. I just want to know. I thought we were better than that. Yeah? Is that right? Alright, I'm going to have to show everybody what you did. They ain't going to like it. Alright. That's my baby right there. And look what this guy did. Right there. Trying to give me a treat. Now how the hell did he do that? And why did he do it right there? It's unbelievable. Alright, whatever. Brisket's been on for about 5 hours now. And I've been steady at about 275 to 300. 300 in the beginning, and then it went down to 275. It's been there for a while. I'm going to go ahead and take the temperature, and then I'm going to proceed to show you what I do when it comes to wrapping. If you guys thought I was really going to use that Christmas paper, you guys are crazy. Alright, let's get that inside of here. This is where I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it right on top of that grate. This is just a drying rack from Walmart, like $3 right there. Alright, let me get that in there. Alright, there it is. Let's check that temp. All right, made that big old full sheet pan fit, and let's continue this. All right, 7 hours in. This thing's got some jiggle. Look at that. Wait up. Woo! But it can't be ready yet. Let me see. Nope. Man. 210? No, that can't be right. 210, damn. 209. 211. Oh no. 210. Well, guess that's called done. A little bit over, right? But we're gonna just
Take it off right here then. We ain't going further. Leave this thing wrapped. And I'm going to store this in my oven. Look at that. Damn it. Well, it doesn't feel bad at all. Hey, it is what it is. I'm actually going to leave it in the microwave for a few hours. And then we're going to cut that thing and see how good this Walmart brisket is. It reached 210. So I'm a little bit disappointed at that, but that's on me, my bad. Or it might even help. Keep in mind, this is a select Packer brisket. So maybe that'll help. We'll find out. So you stay there. And there you have it. Come on, guys. Look at that. Just that smoke ring is obnoxious, man. That smoke ring is just bragging like it ain't no joke. And outside, the bark looked like it wasn't as pronounced as this, but look at that. All right, you know what? I'm gonna try me some of this right here. Damn. You know what I'm about to say, right? Holy crap. Man, let me try it again. I might have been lying right now. This might be lying to my taste buds. Oh my God. This, for a select brisket at Walmart, $35. This is just outrageous. All right, so overall, this cook was a success slash failure slash success. Let me explain. The point, turning them into burnt ends or just alone as is, was phenomenal, especially for a select Packer brisket. Now, the flat, it's not too crumbly as you would expect a select brisket to be that's been overcooked, because I went to 210, but it's not the way I would want it. So to me, that's a fail. However, it becomes a success again because I throw this stuff in sandwiches like this for work. I mean, so to me, this is meat and brisket that I can attack in a different way. So this is still usable. It's still gonna yield great, great eats for me. But this stuff right here is amazing. So what I did is I threw some barbecue sauce on it first, which was the Killer Hogs barbecue sauce with some vinegar sauce in it. Did that for about 10-15 minutes, and then I brought it back out and hit it with this Asian zing that you can get from Buffalo Wild Wings and put it back in there. Now, it's not all crispy burnt ends like that, but this stuff, let me show you something. This right here is just amazing. Now, to prove it to you guys how amazing this is, I'm going to give this to my camera lady, who, she doesn't even really like me that much. So she's going to be honest to you guys. Here you go, camera lady. Taste that. Go ahead. Oh, gave you too much? Go ahead. Now, what do you think of that right there?
That's freaking tasty.
Is it freaking tasty?
Yeah, that's really good.
You really think so?
Yes.
Not because you look at me and I'm the hottest guy you've ever seen, ever. This is just because it really tastes that way?
Mm-hmm.
Man, why do you gotta say mm-hmm like that? All right. Let me confirm. Let me show you something. This right here. See that? That. Look at that right there. Now, I'm a little sweaty joke right now, so check this out. I've been working hard all day, all night. I don't know if this is gonna look right. These lights, they always put like 25 pounds on me, man. 'Cause trust me, I'm thinner than all this. What the hell are you laughing at again? So what's going on here? You're gonna get fired. All right, check this out. Holy crap, that is delicious. That makes up for this right here. And this ain't that bad. Look at that. It ain't that bad, trust me. For being select and me overcooking that part, not a big deal. But this right here, come on guys. There's no excuse for these select packers that are at Walmart. We can do it. Damn it. Hold on, let me get something. I need to get my scope in. Alright, I'm good. Man. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Put this in some Ziploc so I can take it to work for the week. And that stuff right there, my camera lady's going to be all up on that. I already know. Look at that smoke ring. Man. Hey, camera lady, you smell good.